Once upon a time, a leading financial firm in the heart of the United States found itself in a conundrum. The company, a titan in financial services and consulting, had a vast collection of shareholder letters, each one a goldmine of sentiments and insights. But how to extract these sentiments? How to classify these letters into positive, negative, and neutral tones? Enter Blackcoffer, a global IT consulting firm with a solution as innovative as it was effective. Mr. Asbidyarthy, Director of Data Science at Blackcoffer, recalls the initial challenge. We were presented with a task that required not only a deep understanding of financial jargon, but also a sophisticated approach to natural language processing. It was a challenge we were excited to take on. The project, aptly named Sentimental Analysis on Shareholder Letter of Companies, involved a meticulous process of data cleaning on shareholder letters. This included lemmatization, lowercase conversion, removing special characters, and tokenization. The goal was to generate polarity and subjectivity columns for the letters using the text blob library of NLTK, a popular tool in the world of natural language processing. But the challenge didn't end there. Blackcoffer's team also had to ensure that the process was reliable and cost-effective. To do so, they used a software model known as the waterfall model. The waterfall model allowed us to keep the project linear and straightforward, without forming a loop from end to start, explains Kumar. This made the sentiment prediction process more efficient and reliable. As the project progressed, Blackcoffer's team faced the inevitable challenge of data cleaning. It was a bit different and required time to complete, admits Kumar. But with their expertise in Python, machine learning, and natural language processing, they were able to tackle the challenge head-on. In the end, Blackcoffer delivered a pre-processed dataset and an output IPython file, providing the financial firm with a comprehensive sentiment analysis of its shareholder letters. The project was a success, and the implications for the industry are profound. Imagine a world where financial firms can instantly gauge the sentiment of their shareholders, where they can immediately respond to concerns, praise, or criticism. That's the future Blackcoffer is helping to shape. As Dr. Kumar puts it, this project is just the beginning. The potential applications of sentiment analysis in the financial sector are vast. We're excited to explore what's next. And with that, we see how a challenge can become an opportunity, how a problem can inspire a solution that not only meets the immediate need, but also opens the door to future possibilities. This is the story of Blackcoffer and the leading financial firm, a story of innovation, collaboration, and the power of sentiment analysis.